In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page width in the Shopify Dawn theme. Changing your page width is a simple way to control how wide your content appears on desktop, which can make your store feel more modern, more spacious, or more compact and focused. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through every click so you can follow along confidently, even if you're brand new to Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main backend area where you manage products, orders, and your online store's design. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Online Store and click on it. This will open up a section where you can see your current themes. At the top of the themes list, you'll see your live theme, which should be the Dawn theme if you're using it as your storefront. Next to this theme, look for a button that lets you edit or customize the theme. Click on that to open the theme editor. This is where you can visually change how your store looks without touching any code. Inside the theme editor, focus your attention on the panel along the left side of the screen. Near the top of that panel, you'll see a gear icon, which represents your theme settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. A new section will slide open with a list of different settings that apply across your entire store. In this settings list, look for an option called Layout. It's usually near the top. Click on Layout and you'll see a setting labeled Page Width. Next to it, there should be a slider and a text box that displays a number. This number represents the maximum width of your content area in pixels. Now, slowly drag the slider left or right to adjust the page width. As you move the slider, you'll see the number in the text box change, and you should also see the preview of your store update in real time. Dragging it to the right will make your page wider, while dragging it to the left will make it narrower. Take a moment to scroll through your home page or another key page while adjusting, so you can see how images, text, and sections respond to the new width. Once you've found a width that looks good and feels right for your brand, it's time to save your changes. Look to the top right corner of the theme editor and click the Save button. Wait a moment for Shopify to confirm that your changes have been saved. And that's it. You've successfully changed the page width in the Shopify Dawn theme.